Okay. All right. Okay. So is the audio okay now? Are you able to hear me? Yeah. All right. Okay. Great. So yes, we have started with a positive note, and as we can see here, no voice yet. Okay. So could you give me a check on the audio? All right. So as all of us can now observe that the market has begun on a positive note, correct? And one of the primary reasons have been that the inflation came in a much better one. Inflation was positive, contrary to street expectation. The IIP also came in. So a lot of macros are helping the overall market sustain the bullish momentum. हम सब सोच रहे हैं कि मार्केट्स एक हाई पर पहुंच गया है, यहाँ पर हमें अभी लॉन्ग नहीं करना चाहिए. बट देन द ओवरऑल पोजीशनिंग व्हाट इज गेटिंग the trends which are emerging from the overseas cues are clearly indicating that there is a positive drift. Along with that, there is also a benefit emerging from the crude oil prices. So as long as the crude oil prices remain subdued, it will also help our Indian markets. And when you can see the combined trigger, right, ये सब combined trigger की वजह से हमें foreign inflows भी बढ़ सकती है, and that is what is helping sustain the overall momentum. So the momentum continues to remain positive, and the kind of drift which you are seeing in the market is definitely very encouraging. Now, when you go and take a look at the overall markets, okay, when you go and take a look at the overall market condition, and when you see the kind of momentum that has got built, it is clearly indicating that yes, there is a positive traction emerging, and the momentum between Nifty and Bank Nifty at the moment seems to be with Nifty. And when you take a look at the PCR, both of them are at the similar stage, which is at zero point 0.6. So now what you have to consider is that yes, we are at zero point 0.6, and what is the expectation of the future. So normally now we are reaching towards high, the put writing is definitely on the higher side. Now we have to see whether at these lower levels, okay, at these lower levels, how are we going to handle the momentum. So when you take a look at the momentum, right, when you take a look at the momentum, you can see that the positive trend is Nifty is very much there, correct? The positive trend is very much there, and the kind of large put shorting which is emerging, that is underlining the bullish tone which is seen in the indices. Now what we need to consider is that over the last few days Bank Nifty में एक challenge आया है towards 44,500, and that will continue to be a important zone to watch out for. So yes, बैंक निफ्टी उस जोन पे था, बट जिस प्रकार का मूवमेंट हमें दिख रहा है कि जब 44,500 अगर क्रॉस होगा, सो देन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ very good move in the market as well. So now 44,500 is an important zone to watch out for in Bank Nifty. And in Nifty, well, the intraday resistance zones, okay, in Spot Nifty, okay, I've been tracking the Spot Nifty for getting a clue on वेयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस जोन, क्योंकि आज निफ्टी एक गैप अप से खुला, और उसकी वजह से मुझे लग रहा है कि अराउंड 18,720 वहां पर एक एक गैप आ सक एक रेजिस्टेंस आ सकता है फॉर द निफ्टी स्पॉट. सो राइट नाउ निफ्टी हैज ऑलरेडी ट्रेडेड क्लोजर टू दैट रेजिस्टेंस zone, and that's why you will see that if you go and take a look at Nifty, okay, this is the Nifty chart here, all right, this is the Nifty chart, and you can see that currently वहां पर पहुंचने के बाद एक रेजिस्टेंस जोन है, दिस इज द फ्यूचर, बट निफ्टी स्पॉट का रेजिस्टेंस जोन ऑलमोस्ट आ चुका है. सो नाउ वी हैव टू बी अ लिटिल केयरफुल हियर, एंड वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व क्योंकि ये लेवल जब अगर क्रॉस हो जाए, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि पुट राइटिंग हो रही है और जो ओवरऑल मोमेंटम है जैसे हमें डैशबोर्ड में दिख रहा है, तो वहां से साफ जाहिर है कि पॉजिटिवनेस इज वेरी मच देयर. एंड टुडे एफएमसीजी हैज बीन द लीडिंग सेक्टर. नाउ देयर इज सम बज फ्रॉम द कंजम्पशन थीम एंड द मीडिया. तो ये तीन सेक्टर काफी अच्छे चल रहे हैं. एंड देन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर इज स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक एक्शन. सो यू कैन सी हियर the morning positivity has yielded to some more names stepping up, and you can see here that there is a wide distribution of stocks that are showing positivity. So overall एक positivity है, and that is what is helping the market sustain the bullish momentum. Now how do we play the way forward, right? Now that's going to be an important question, and when you consider that the way forward is a little tricky one. So now we have to see what is happening to the overall momentum. So let's go and take a look at our stock analyzer and see what is the dials of Nifty and Bank Nifty saying. So you can see here Nifty continues to be a strong buy, and on the intraday, and Bank Nifty is still trying to get some आंसर टू द मोमेंटम. तो फिलहाल बैंक निफ्टी में एक कोशिश जारी है, और बैंक निफ्टी में जरूर अगर आप देखेंगे कि जो ओवरऑल स्कोर जो है, ओवरऑल स्कोर्स रिमेन ऑन द पॉजिटिव साइड, राइट, बट देन देर इज स्टिल सम ट्रेंड टू इमर्ज. एंड एज यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि द ओवरऑल मूवमेंट, हमेशा जब मूवमेंट R1 और S1 के बीच में रहता है, so it is a clear sign that there is some bit of consolidation happening. Okay, there is some bit of consolidation happening, और जिसकी वजह से आपको संभाल के काम करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अब तक कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है. सो व्हाट आर दोस लेवल्स? लेट्स गो एंड टेक अ लुक. So now if I go and take a look at the levels of Bank Nifty, right? So you can see here that Bank Nifty currently is having a range of around 44,500 is the positional R1 as well. Okay. And on the lower side, it is 43,800 to 900. So 43,800 to 900 on the downside, and 44,500 on the upside. So this is something that you got to consider. Now, when you take a look at the overall markets, okay, when you take a look at the overall markets, based on the time count analysis, which is done by our founder, Dr. Nanan, so he is expecting that probably within the next, by tomorrow or day after, we could enter into a time zone where Nifty could take a breather. So those who are having a long position should definitely consider this, because this is based on the Gantt studies which he does, and that is something which all of us at our trading desk continuously follows and keeps a track on them. And he writes about this extensively in his articles which are published on Bloomberg Quint. So you could take a read on that. So what we do is we take a look at various factors which are impacting the market, and based on that we consider the other higher level studies and plan it. So as you can see here, the movement, well, morning was positive, but then Nifty has gone into a halt. So this is where the concept of price and time comes in, and this is what we also incorporate as part of our overall understanding of the market. All right. So I hope all of you got a good overview of how the market is set up now, and how we can move ahead, because now we are going to see how can we participate in the market, and how can we stay connected. All right. So let me have a hit on the smash on the like buttons, guys. There are 80 people connected with me, and I want 80 people to smash the like button. So I've given you an overview about the market. You've got an understanding about the market. Now I want you to smash the like button. Then we will go and check out how can we find some trading setups, right? Let me see the like buttons going up. Now we will get into the trade discovery mode and find out. But then I'm going to wait here and see how many people are really smashing the like buttons. Go for it, guys. If you want to be part of this live stream, then hitting the like button is a mandatory thing which I demand, because there's a small favor from your side which will help the algorithm of YouTube and get people to know that yes, there is a detailed discussion happening on the markets across different kind of structure, different kind of parameters. All these things happen on our live stream. All right, show us your love and support and take it. If you're here on the live stream, a like button is least you can do. All right, come on guys, let's keep it going and let's see the energy pumping up. Share this with your community group. I'm sure that all of you are having a lot of community groups where other traders are also engaging with you, and all of you are very keen to know exactly how to look at the markets. I have shared with you certain important levels. Now we will go and discover how can we select some trades as well. All right, so good morning to all of you, those who have written on the chat. Now, as we discover the trades, you can write in your stocks as well. So let us go and check out some stocks. Meanwhile, keep smashing the like button and be part of this live stream. Okay. Let us go and check out the numbers. Awesome. So keep it going, guys. Keep it going. And let us now go and check what's happening to Nifty. First step, Nifty is still there, hanging on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move into my rolling ticker. Okay, I'm going to move into my rolling ticker and I'm going to find out what can I do today, right? Let me see what I can do today and let me try and find out how to get a picture of the market. Okay, let me try and see how to get a picture of the market. So today, in today's live stream, we will see how to discover with Cameria pivot. Okay, that is something which we will see. So Cameria is a very useful pivoting approach. Cameria is tells you exactly when a particular trend is going to move. So in a Cameria pivot, it is taking based on the previous day's price action and it defines levels. So this is how I have defined a Cameria pivot levels, as you can see here. So let me just label it for you so that you can also know which are the labels. You can see here H4. If I want to buy, I will buy above H4. If I want to sell, I will sell below L4. So you can see here today was a very positive day for Nifty, and Nifty began above H4. So if something begins above H4, it is a very good sign of positivity. If it begins below L4 or if it travels below L4, it's a sign of negativity. तो bullishness, bearishness आपको यहाँ से दिख जाएगा और इस प्रकार आप काम कर सकते हैं निफ्टी में, बैंक निफ्टी में. So let's also take a look at what has happened to bank nifty. So let's see what is happening to bank nifty. Okay, so let's see what is happening to bank nifty and let us find out how can we take action from here. So when you go and take a look here, okay, when you go and take a look here, what do you see here? You see that morning there was a big thrust, right? Got it. So you can see here, this is bank nifty here, right? And earlier, right, we spoke about nifty. So this is nifty, and you can see that this is nifty, and you can see that nifty is almost reaching H6. Correct. This is your H6. This is H5. This is H6, and in nifty, you can see that we've spoken about this resistance zone, and this is a nifty spot, and a nifty spot has almost reached the resistance zone. So this is around 715. So right now, Nifty, if you want to go long in Nifty at the current juncture, it would not be a good time to initiate a long. So because we are almost reaching the target zone. So you got to wait for this particular level to exceed if there is more bullishness seen in Nifty. So there's a Nifty spot here, which I spoke about. You can see here that this is the setup. All right. Now let us go and check out from the rolling ticker what kind of trades are emerging. So you can see here what NeoTrader does is NeoTrader basically scans the watch list which is available. Nifty FNO, Nifty 500, these are the predefined watch list. You can create your own watch list as well. Like for example, if you want to see in banking, So if you want to see in banking, you can see that Axis Bank. So you can see your Axis Bank has moved very well. So now let us see when was the Axis Bank trade, when has the Axis Bank trade emerged. You can see that Axis Bank trade, okay, so the trade emerged right at 9:30, at 9:84. Okay, this is a spot. So 9:84, you got Axis Bank trade. So let's see Axis Bank. So you can see that Axis Bank has moved since the open. Right in the morning, it was able to cross the H4 and then it moved on. So right at 9:30, new trader told you, yes, there is a possibility. And then you got a move of around 6 points. The price are still traveling. So here you get continuous updates, and from this you are able to get an idea of which stock is moving. Now, if you are of the opinion that yes, there is a movement in the FMCG space, so what you could do is you could go ahead and check out the FMCG stocks. And when the FMCG stocks are moving, like for example, today there was a movement in Trent. So now, for example, if I just put on to FNO, okay. So now you can see here, Ibul housing is moving. You can see here Trent. You can see 1649, right? You got a move at 1649, and it has traveled all the way up till 1675. So this way, new trader keeps a track and tells you when such movements are happening, so that you can get started and you can get your trade initiated in a very quick way. All right. So let me check what are the stocks which you have traded. Can you tell me the stock which you have traded? Let us check if you have got this particular setup here, and what is the stock which you have traded, and let's see whether we are getting a setup there. All right. Meanwhile, all those who are connected with us, I want you to take the like buttons ahead. Yeah, let's let's take it. All those who are connected, there are 75 people with me, and I want to take the likes above 75. Come on, guys. I've shown you a very simple way. Okay, Z. Okay, let's check out Z and let's see what has happened in Z. All right, so let's go to Z here, and let's check, did it qualify? So let's check whether did Z qualify, and let's see, is there a trade in Z? Yeah, you can see here there is no trade in Z. All right, now let us go to Tata.com. So you can see here Tata.com, the trade has started. You can see here the message came at 10:10. All right, now opposed when the message came 1005. So Tata.com, sorry, not 1005. The message came at 1515. Now it is 1520. So let's go and check Tata Communication. All right. Okay. So yes, Tata Communication is moving. You can see here message came at 10:10, right? And then once it came here, it was clear that there is a movement in this, right? So yes, Tata Communication is a good trade. Let's see what's happening in the market. Yeah, Z may be moving, but it's not a camera trade. So every trade has got different criteria. Got it? Every trade has got a different criteria, and that's how we need to see it. Okay. PFC. Yes, I can very much read PFC. No need to type it 10 times. I can very much see what you have written, Syed. So let's check PFC here and let's see if it does qualify. Okay, so let's remove this, and is PFC a valid trade? Yes, PFC has just started. So you can see here trade generated at 201 half. Now it is 202 half. So there's a good movement there. Very good. So let's put on PFC here. No, PSC was moving down. It's not movement up here. Basically, PFC is stuck in a range. Not much of movement seen here. So let's go back to, okay, let's check out Dalmia Bharat. You can see here Dalmia Bharat is moving well. All right. So if you check the setup of Dalmia Bharat, right, you can see here that nice move got here. When did you get the trade? You got the trade at 950. And after 950, right, you got the trade at 950. And then since 950, the price has gone up by around 20 points. So you can see here potential to move towards H6. H6 is your target. That's how you can find out. And based on the dial, you can always see that the market continues to remain on the buy side. Got it? Market continues to remain on the buy side. Understood? So the bias is on the bullish side. The bias is on the bullish side. So as far as possible, try to remain bullish. Stock specific movements हो रहे हैं और sector specific movements हो रहे हैं. So जो sector dominate कर रहा है उस sector पर ध्यान दीजिए. Try to look at the dominating sector. So for example FMCG है, थोड़ा consumption है, मीडिया है. तो इन सब स्टॉक्स पे देर इज सम मूवमेंट. देर आर सम स्पेसिफिक प्राइवेट बैंक्स दैट आर मूविंग. सो टेक अ लुक एट दैट instead of just going and randomly selecting some stock. All right. So I hope all of you are getting some idea. So now let's go and check some fresh setups that are coming. Meanwhile, you can post your stocks on the chat and let me see all of you. Okay, ITC. All right, ITC. Let's go and take a look at ITC. Right. Meanwhile, I want you to smash the like button. I'm going to wait for 2 minutes. I want to see the likes going up above 80. Come on, guys. अगर आपको मेरे साथ लाइव स्ट्रीम में रहना है, डिस्कस करना है, स्टॉक्स का वैलिडेशन देखना है, तो स्मैश द लाइक बटन. या take it above 80. Okay, Bandhan Bank. All right, Apollo Hospital. Very good. सब देखेंगे. But I want you to share this video and push the like above 80. Dixon. All right. Yeah, this is the least you can do. You can smash the like button. Okay, McDowell. All right. So I'll check 2 more stocks and come back and let the likes go above 80. Awesome. Fantastic, fantastic. 1 minute. Let me now go and check on this. So पहले हम check करेंगे Dixon पे. Okay, this is Dixon. So let's see what is the momentum telling us. All right. So let's check Dixon. What is the intraday setup telling us? This is where our stock analyzer is very useful. You can see here Dixon is a strong buy candidate, right? Dixon is a strong buy candidate. Dixon has been moving and currently it is trading above its R3 level. So yes, there is a fresh move which has come here. यहाँ पर एक अलग ट्रेड शुरू हो गया है Dixon पे. So Dixon is a very good selection. Okay, Dixon is a very good selection. Good one. Venkat Ramani, good one. All right. So ITC अभी देखेंगे और ITC में देखेंगे कि FMCG है और FMCG में ITC में क्या हालचाल हो रहा है वो देख लेते हैं. एंड हम लोग अभी चलेंगे ITC में एंड लेट अस सी नाउ. ओके, ITC इज गिविंग अ फ्रेश मूव. यू कैन सी हियर ITC में अच्छी मूव आ रही है. FMCG इज मूविंग, सो डेफिनेटली ITC इज वन ऑफ द फेवरेट्स. So let's check ITC. Okay, and when you take a look at ITC, you can see that the momentum is strong. It has gone up and then it is continuing to hold. So yes, overall momentum is positive, but right now there seems to be some profit booking going on. So I would wait for participating in ITC right now. अगर मेरा पोजीशन है तो मैं होल्ड करूंगा, ऑल राइट. बट अगर फ्रेश पोजीशन लेना है तो मैं थोड़ा और पुल बैक के लिए वेट करके देखूंगा, नॉट एट द करेंट जंक्चर. All right. So now again, let us go. So those who are asking your questions, if you are getting a response, respond to us on the chat so that we know you are getting an idea. Okay, Bandhan Bank. So yes, we said private banks are showing some movement. So let's go and check Bandhan Bank. ठीक है, right? So बंधन बैंक चेक कर लेंगे और बंधन बैंक के पहले. ओके, ऑसम. सो अभी तक लाइक 69 पर ही है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि और थोड़ा लाइक्स हो जाए. कम ऑन गाइस, पुश इट अबव 80. Right? So ITC is positive, but you can't enter the position now. But if you're having, you can look to hold on, because overall the momentum is positive as the FMCG. You have entered the right sector, Rajesh. So don't have to worry. But then you got to have a stop loss as well, because that is the rule of the market. All right. Awesome. So all of you can see that it is very easy to do analysis when you put it through a proper process. And that's what we have been doing. We have been trying to put a proper process. And once you get a proper process, you will be able to take a very good idea. So Abhi, right now at the current juncture, markets are positive. Sector is which is moving very well is FMCG, then some consumption theme and media. Okay. So now let's check in rolling ticker what is the next set of trades are coming in. Okay, you're seeing Aarti Industry, ABFRL. So let's see between Aarti Industry and ABFRL कौन सा trade हम कर सकते हैं. Okay, so Aarti Industry का हमारा setup जो है, yes, it is indicating a strong buy. All right, और यहाँ पर भी देखिए it has crossed R3. So again a positive sign here for some fresh intraday move which is emerging. All right. So Aarti Industry, let's go and check Aarti Industry. And you can see here some fresh moves that are emerging. You can see here, yes, यहाँ पर fresh move आया है. Or yes, of course, the last 5 minutes you're witnessing some profit booking, but then this is part of the game. Now Aarti Industry and ABFRL. Yeah, between Aarti Industry and ABFRL is a better bet. It's having some nice steady positive move. So ABFRL, however, one should note that its target zone is nearing, which is your H6. So when you are getting a move, you should also see where is it in terms of your overall camera. So that's what you keep getting the scores here. So all these things are taught to all the people who enroll into the NeoTrader ecosystem. If you want to know about NeoTrader, if you want to understand how you can be part of a structured way of dealing with the markets, all you have to do is check out the links that have been shared on the chat, and you can get to know a lot about market participation. That's the whole idea here. Okay. Okay, good to know that, Latika, that you're able to take advantage of Infosys, right? Okay, Vinagam says Titan above R2 and book profit at R3. Very good. That's the whole idea. Follow the rules and make consistent return. Okay, 70 likes, guys. मैंने आपको कहा था कि 100 है हमारा आज का टारगेट. Yeah, I'm giving a minute more. Push it up. Yeah, I'll be checking Titan, but I want to see the likes going up to 100 now. Yeah, come on, guys, push the likes up so that we can discover. Yeah, I'm going to check Titan when I come. I'm going to check Titan, but people are watching the live stream, but they are not pushing the likes up. इतना तो आप कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको लाइक बटन दबाना नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन गो एंड वॉच सम अदर लाइव स्ट्रीम. Camera is a pivoting approach. Camera is a pivoting approach. It is based, it is a pivot. Okay. In a camera, all right, in a camera, when you open a camera setup, right, when you open a camera setup, हमेशा बीच में pivot रहता है. You can see here ABFRL, I told you it's a पॉजिटिवली अगर आपका है तो यू कैन कंटिन्यू टू होल्ड ऑन. सो दीज लाइंस आर इमर्जिंग अबाउट द पिवट. तो पिवट आपका सेंटर में है और ऊपर कैमरा के लेवल्स आते हैं. ऊपर के लेवल्स है H4 से लेके H6 आर इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स. नीचे L4 से L6 are important levels because that's where the prices expand. So in a camera, you're using the levels to participate. All right. So we have done extensive work in NeoTrader, and we have got dedicated pages on the pivots because pivots is something which is very, very useful. यहाँ पे फिबोनाची है, कैमरिया है, सीपीआर है. तो इन सब में हमने एक्सटेंसिव काम किया है और जिसके बारे में हम वेबिनार्स करते रहते हैं. अगर आपको जानना हो कि उसके बारे में और भी जानकारी कैसे ले, यू कैन ऑलवेज कनेक्ट विद आवर टीम एंड विल बी हैप्पी टू शो यू. एंड दैट्स हाउ ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर वर्किंग एंड all these things are very beautifully accumulated and pulled up in this rolling ticker. So this way you get to know which stock is moving, where it is moving, how it is moving, और stocks का overall placement आपको यहाँ से मिल जाता है. So now, right, as I am discussing, I am still finding that we have not yet reached 100, right? Vinayagam, you can see here that the likes are still stuck at 73. All right, that's the whole idea. So if likes keep getting stuck, then what's the fun in doing the live stream? Let me now go anyways. I will do one more stock. This is for Vinayagam. Let me go and check Titan. राइट अगर यहाँ तक अगर लाइक्स बढ़ गया तो हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे. तो अभी चलते हैं टाइटन पे. अभी जाकर देखेंगे टाइटन का हाल क्या है. ओके, सो दिस इज टाइटन एंड लेट्स पुट ऑन टाइटन हियर. And when you go and take a consolidated view on Titan, right? So you can see that the intraday is in a buy position. The positional is in a buy position, but multi-day is in a neutral zone. Now, when you take a look at Titan, all right. So Titan has come to R3. Okay, Titan has come to R3. So now, when you take a look at the levels, you can see here that R3 का जो level है और R1 का जो लेवल है एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस जोन है. या सिमिलर टू द निफ्टी. सो यस, टाइटन हैज कम इनटू अ रेजिस्टेंस जोन. सो profit booking is a good step which you have taken. Now when you want to look at a pullback zone from यहाँ पे, right, overall trend is positive in Titan. So pullback zone would be somewhere in the region of R1 of intraday, which is around 2877, because that is in close tie-up with your multi-day pivot. So if you want to participate in Titan, then this would be a good pullback zone. Overall trend is positive, and it could be a good pullback approach to buy into. Rather than chasing breakouts, Titan is a good pullback candidate. Right? I hope, Vinayagam, you got a good idea now on Titan. All right. Awesome. So, all right. Then with that, I come to an end of today's live stream. And I hope that we will be connecting in the next live stream. And I want you all to participate extensively and show me your love and support. And also keep on looking at various aspects of what we do and how we trade the market. So a lot of sessions are there. And if you want to get to know it better, you can check out the links below on this video and get connected with our team so that we can help you discover your trading journey. And through NeoTrader and through other aspects of our reports and everything, you will be able to get a very good idea. So do ensure that you are part of our ecosystem so that you can take advantage of the market and build wealth for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me in today's live stream. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy.